Welcome back to TEC2. You probably watched our videos on the ion communicating stat. Today we're going to do something a little bit different with that, and we're going to show you how to get your dealer contact info onto the actual thermostat. We're going to set it up on an SD card and then use that SD card for every job we go to. We'll stick it in the bottom slot on the stat and upload the information in the stat that way. So let's head over here to the computer and show you how to do that. So the first thing is I need to go to the correct website, which is ioncomfort.com. All right, when I go to that website, pull up the stat, I can log into a consumer account that way, all that good stuff. But if I want to create an SD card to load the contact info, I need to download a software tool onto my computer for a one-time use just to create this card, and then I'll never need it again. All right, but I got to do that. So under the downloads button, I would scroll down past the app locations, right? The Apple app, the Google Play app, I don't need those. And I'm going to come down here where it says download my Ion. I'm going to click on that and download the software, right? And then you install the software like you would any other software on the computer. For the purposes of this video, I've already done that to save a little bit of time on installing software. So this is what that software looks like. When you open it up, you can either log into a consumer account, which I have not yet created one, so I'm not going to do that, or I can go to demo mode. I don't care either way for the purposes of creating this logo information. So I'm going to hit demo. When I do that, I'm going to have a couple different choices on here. Service information export and dealer logo export. I'm going to do both of those things and put them on the same SD card. So every time I put this SD card in any one of my customer stats, it'll load my company logo on there and my company name, email, phone number, that kind of stuff. Right, so first one, service information export, company name. Obviously, you know I'm going to put in TEC2, right? Which is the best contractor you've ever had. And my phone number is 867-5309. Right, my address is 123 Main Street, right, all that kind of good stuff. My email, I'm not going to put it on there because you guys are going to send me a bunch of emails, which I don't want. And then my website, right, put that kind of information on there. So we'll, for today, we'll just do youtube.com, right, /TC2 films. And I'll say next. Right, and this is what it's going to look like. I don't have an email address, I didn't put one in, so it's not showing that, but this is what everything else is going to look like. So I would say next. And it tells me to save it on my drive, which in this case is my SD card, in a folder called dealer. So here's my SD card, I already have it in my computer. I'm going to create a folder called dealer. So I have it ready to go. And then on my software, I made my information on there. I'm going to hit export. It says where you want to save it. I'm going to go to my SD card, which is this one labeled right here. And I'm going to open up the dealer folder. I'm going to save it in there. Leave the name alone. In this case, it's logo 00001. Leave it that way. The stat is going to be looking for that file name on the card, so that's why I got to leave it that way. And I'll hit save. The second piece of that is getting my logo on there. So I'll hit dealer logo export. Now I got to go find my logo. So I hit open. And let me see where I can grab my logo at. Where did I stick it? Over here. Scroll down to my TEC2 logo. And then it shows me what it's going to look like. I can pick letterbox, I can zoom in, which won't work in this case, or I can stretch it out. Right? So in my case, letterbox would work correctly. Ideally, what I want to do is create a logo that's completely square. Or if you have a Facebook page, use your profile pic from that because that's completely square and it'll fill the box evenly. But I didn't think that through. So in my case, it's going to be letterbox style, which means the top and bottom will have a little bit of black on them. I'm going to hit next. It says save it in a folder called dealer on your micro SD card. So I'm going to hit export, find my folder. There's the dealer one. Now it says the folder file's going to be named logo 0001. Yes, I want to do that. So hit save. And I'm good, right? Then I'm going to take this card out of my computer. So there's my micro SD card. It's inside a little adapter in my case, right? So I'm going to take him out. I'm going to go over to my thermostat, which will normally be on your wall, not in the hand, right? So I made this card. I'll use it on every single job I go to, and it'll always say my dealer name is TEC2, and my phone number is blah, 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 all that stuff. And I'll just put it in on every job. So on my stat, I'm going to go to menu. And I'm going to scroll down, dealer contact information. I'm going to click on that guy. I can either upload it from a micro SD card, or I can manually enter it. Manually entering it's a pain in the butt, so I'm not going to do that. So I made the card for this purpose. So upload, it says please insert micro SD card. I'm going to put that in the slot on the bottom of the stat. And then it's going to go look on that for a folder called dealer and then look for the files that it wants. Upload dealer information. Yes, I would like to do that. So it's going to upload. I'll take a second. Upload is successful. I'll press next. And that's what it's going to look like. So I have my logo and all my contact information that I previously entered on the computer. So anytime there's an alarm or an alert on the stat, it'll pop up and say, hey, you have an alert, right? Time to change your filter, igniter fault, whatever it's going to be. And then it'll say contact your dealer, and it'll pull up this information for the customer so they see it every time there's any kind of alert or error message that they need to have addressed with their equipment. So in my case right now, I'll say done because I'm all good. I'll pop my card out, make sure you get that back, otherwise the next job will not be as exciting, right? And now it's in there, so anytime I get an alarm, I'm ready to go. So that's how you load that information on there. Thanks for joining us, and take a look at some of our other videos on the Ion Communicating Control series.